What's up, beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. Let's make triple blend porridge.
Sister Jane at the kitchen. What a vibes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toads. Sister Jane, your cuisine are the truth.
So for my porridge, I will be using all these ingredients that you see here. Here I have cinnamon powder, sweetened condensed milk, raw peanut, oats, green plantain, coconut cream, nutmeg, cinnamon stick, sweetened condensed milk. I also have vanilla essence. So now I am peeling the plantain, wash and cut up. Add the plantain, the raw peanut, the oats, and some coconut milk to the blender. Now I am blending it smoothly. On the other side, I have a pot on the fire with some water, about 4 cups of water. I'm adding the coconut cream. Now I add the cinnamon stick to that, and I'm going to let it boil up a little. Then I add the mixture. So here is the mixture after blending. Peanut, oats, and plantain. Strong back porridge. Yes. So I'm just adding it gradually and make sure it doesn't have any lump in it. So this is thick, so I'm whisking it out a little. Yes. Then I lower my flame. So I'm going to cook this on medium. When I'm cooking my porridge, I don't cover it. I cook my porridge open. Reason being, when you cover your porridge, it gets too thick, and I don't want it to be too thick. It's supposed to have a nice body to it, yes, but not too thick. I'm adding some nutmeg, fresh grated nutmeg. Now I'm adding some vanilla essence. Just mixing this out nicely. Look at it, guys. See that? Now it's time to add my sweetened condensed milk. And as I mentioned before, for me, sugar is optional when you're using sweetened condensed milk. Time to add some ground cinnamon. And look at this lovely triple blend porridge. Time to serve. Serve and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Live good, walk good. Pray, pray, pray. Bless up yourself. One love. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Cuisine and Lifestyle. Bless up.